Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oke, ada yang nggak masuk ini?
Saskia nih.
Saskia, kenapa Saskia?
Kedipsi.
Semoga cepat sembuh ya. Oke.
Semoga segera pulang.
Oke, let me attendance check attendance ya.
There's a laptop.
Miss Milairi. Yes, Miss. M. Arjun Elbasit.
Sorry.
Sorry. M. Arjun Elbas.
Yes, sir. Yes, miss.
Yes, sir.
Rifani.
Yes, Miss. Present.
Ada yang belum dipanggil? Lebina. Terus. Oh, udah.
Iya.
Oke, sekarang kita akan belajar tentang report text. What do you know about report text? Lebina.
What?
Lebina.
Text is about the text that reporting some events.
How about you, Tina?
I didn't have nothing in my mind. Miss.
Okay.
I
Be quiet, don't cry. Be quiet, don't cry.
Well, report text is a text that describes something in general. It gives factual information about animals, places, or phenomena. Jadi, report text itu teks yang mendeskripsikan tentang sesuatu yang bersifat umum dan memberikan informasi yang nyata tentang binatang, terus tempat atau fenomena alam. Apa sih perbedaannya report text dan descriptive text? Bisa dibacakan, Mas Juna?
report text yang pertama menggambarkan sesuatu secara umum. Kate Ross mobile phone and second use scientific name. Kate is also called Felis catus and need observation to write. For example, cat is full-range carnivorous mammal, and its social function is to report something in general. And the second hand, descriptive text itu menggambarkan sesuatu secara khusus, like my cat, my horse, my HP,
Handphone.
my handphone.
My HP.
The second, not scientific name. My cat is called me. And third is personal opinion. For example, my cat has cute color with its legs. And social function is to describe certain things.
Jadi dalam report text itu yang pertama menggambarkan sesuatu secara umum, sedangkan descriptive text itu menggambarkan sesuatu secara khusus. Dan selanjutnya yang kedua itu use scientific name. Di report text itu menggunakan nama ilmiah, ya, seperti Felis catus. Sedangkan descriptive text itu tidak menggunakan nama ilmiah. Contohnya, cat is called me. Yang ketiga, need observation to write. Contohnya, cat is full-range carnivorous mammals. Sedangkan descriptive text use personal opinion seperti cute colors.
Thank you.
Okay, there are two generic structures in the report text. The first is general classification and then description. Can you read Rifani?
Okay. General classification and description. Okay. General classification is
is a part that state classification of general, aspect of things such as animals, public places, slaves, and etc. And then the description is, can you zoom in this? Because I can't see clearly. Description. This part gives description of the things which will be discussed in detail in terms of parts and their function, qualities, habits, and behavior. Okay, so in general classification, we can mengetahui apa sih yang sedang diceritakan dalam report teks tersebut. Sedangkan di description itu berisi tentang menceritakan sesuatu secara detail. Di general classification itu biasanya terdapat di paragraf pertama, sedangkan di description itu di paragraf kedua atau sampai akhir. Next is language features. Can you read Miss P. Lady?
Okay. Language features. Use a simple present tense. Use general nouns, words, dogs, volcanoes. Use factual information. Use lesson verbs. Is, are, have, do. Action verb. For example, birds fly in the sky. You do it, right?
Okay, the first is use a simple person. Why use a simple person?
Because it's a fact.
Yes. Yeah. Because it's a fact. And then use general nouns like birds, dogs, hormones, and then use factual information. And then use relating verbs like is, are, have, do. And last is action verb. For example, birds fly in the sky.
Juna tunjuk creepy banget sih, Jun. Namanya siapa?
Okay, there are examples of movements.
Tell her.
You, Lupina, dibaca.
Look, Lina, look. Why it's always me?
Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They are mammals and belong to the family Elephantinae. Elephants have large ears, long trunks, and thick legs. They use their trunks to drink water and grab food. Elephants live in groups and eat grass, leaves, and fruits. There are two main types of elephants: African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants are larger and have bigger ears than Asian elephants. Elephants are intelligent animals and can live up to 70 years of age.
Oke, sekarang kita menganalisis contoh dari report teks ini ya. Ayo, Mas Juna bisa maju di analisis general structure-nya dan language feature-nya.
Tadi apa aja yang sih? General structure.
General structure, ayo ada apa aja?
Lupa misalnya.
General classification and description.
Only two.
Ya.
So,
Tambah title, tapi title
title
tidak usah.
tidak usah. Oke, jadi cuma dua yang bisa.
Oke, guys ya.
Oke.
Tepuk tangan dulu. Ya.
So, apa tadi yang pertama? General classification
General
is the
classification.
first paragraph is of the first paragraph.
Yeah. And then
And the rest of them is the what is it? Tadi
ya apa?
description. Nah, description is this. Like that, miss.
Ya, and then language feature-nya.
Language feature-nya Use a simple present tense means. Elephant are the largest animal world.
Yeah. And then?
And then?
Use general nouns. Elephant.
And then use factual information.
Factual information. Now, is they are monkeys and belong to the family Elephantidae.
Yeah. And then relating verb.
Relating verbs.
These are have.
Ini are.
Yeah.
And then
Action
action
verb.
verb. Mati. Drink kan?
Drink, ya.
Yeah.
Oh, di sini ya.
Yeah.
Drink is.
Yeah.
And another thing.
Oh,
It.
Ya, tepuk tangan untuk Mas Juna. Ya.
Mas Juna, you did it well.
You did it well. Bisa dipahami ya. We proud of you.
We proud of you.
Oke, sekarang Miss punya soal, tidak boleh begitu Mbak Levina. Punya soal, nanti kalian kerjakan ya.
Males. Itu contohnya males-males baik ya. Masih mati gitu. Males-males terus.
Oke, sekarang kalian buka linknya ya di grup. Terus ini dikerjakan. Yuk Mbak Ludwina. 10 minutes. Only 20 question.
Kita kelas berapa ya, Miss?
B.
Kelas B.
Transkrip satu jam ya.
Ayo, tidak boleh membuka AI ya.
Kan saya tidak buka AI, Miss. Ini Google Class. Ini Google foto Anda, Miss.
Ya, oke, lanjut kerjakan sendiri.
Kayaknya stupid.
Apakah ada yang susah?
Susah.
Gampang kan?
Susah.
Have you done?
Oh my god, 65.
Only 2?
Never mind.
Have you done? Juna?
No.
Sambulku jubruk gede banget ya.
Have you done, guys? Done? Oke, skor terbanyak diraih oleh Nispi. Yang kedua ada Picanthropus. Apa ini? Apa dibacanya apa? Siapa ini? Punya siapa?
Pithecanthropus javanicus.
Ya, dapat nilai 80. Tepuk tangan. Terus Ismi Fatihah, nanti belajar lagi ya Ismi Fatihah. Next I will give you homework ya.
Ya. Apa nih?
About homework about example of report text, and then you analyze the generic structure and
language features.
and language features. Nanti ketua kelas kumpulin di meja saya ya Mas. Oke. Any question guys?
Clear enough.
Clear enough. Oke. Mari kita tutup dengan bacaan hamdalah bersama-sama.
Alhamdulillah.
Amin. Oke. Sekian dari saya. Alhamdulillah dan salah. Minta maaf ya.